you?
Doing good about y'all.
See this, come on.
I don't
Yeah,
mind.
man,
I'll play
play
all
some
night.
guitar.
This close to midnight, something evil lurking in the dark.
I like when you get those feet going.
Right.
Like
Under the
this.
moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You start to scream,
Like a little bit.
but terror takes the sound before you make it.
Right.
You start to freeze as horror looks you right between the eyes. You're out of time, 'cause this is thriller night. No one is gonna save you from the beast with 40 eyes. Thriller night. You're fighting for your life inside a killer thriller, yeah, chiller thriller night.
Nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Last one of the day in Savannah, Georgia.
Wow.
Very nice. Very
Like
nice.
I was trying to say before, it's like you have electricity.
I do. I
Going
love
through
it.
your body.
Yeah, I just love it.
It's super special.
Thank you.
I liked what I heard. I think everybody else is going to love it, too.
Amazing, man. I mean, I love it. I mean, true artist.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, let's take a vote, guys. Let's see. What do we think? Is he going to Hollywood or not, Steven Tyler?
Casey with a lightning rod. You're going to Hollywood. To me.
Hello?
Jennifer? Is he
We
going
get
to
a vote-
Hollywood?
We get a vote, too.
Okay.
Jennifer?
I just think you're really, really special. You know, this is not something you see every day, which is what an artist is. It's something that is new and fresh and makes you just, everybody stop and stare. And that's who you are. That's what you are. It's a yes for me.
It's a yes for me, too, man. I love it. I really, really do. So, welcome to Hollywood, Philip Rose Jr.
Yeah.
Good job, baby.
What a way to cap the day off. That guy was amazing.